If you're comparing Coursera Python courses that are free versus paid, you might be wondering if it's worth spending money at all. The answer depends on your goals, but if you're serious about learning Python and earning certificates, the paid option offers far more value. Before we get started, if you're thinking about subscribing, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus plan. Yes, Coursera does offer free access to many Python courses. In most cases, you can audit eligible courses and watch much of the learning content. You can also start a free trial for many learning programs. But there are important limitations. With free access, you generally won't receive a certificate, and some graded assignments, projects, or other learning features may not be included. If your goal is simply to watch a few lessons, that might be enough. But if you're learning Python for your career, most people will want the complete experience. That's where the paid options make a big difference. You can complete the coursework, finish assessments, earn recognized certificates, and add them to your resume or LinkedIn profile. Whether you choose Python for everybody, Google's Crash Course on Python, or IBM's Python for Data Science, you'll get much more value by completing the full program. If you only plan to take one course, paying for a single learning program can make sense. But most learners don't stop after one course. Once you finish Python, you'll probably want to learn SQL, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or cloud computing. That's why I think Coursera Plus is the better choice. Instead of paying for each learning program separately, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.